Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I have some exciting items to show you today for the Amazon Associates Affiliate Program. Now, the items that I'm about to show, they are only on sale for a brief time. So you have to make sure that you check the dates when you go to order to make sure that the promo code is still active. So let's get started. If you are in need for a camera light for your YouTube video, check out this LED ring light. It is regularly priced at $74.69. With the discount, you use the promo code, takes it down to a total of $20.21. That is an excellent price, so make sure you hurry up and try to get that. The sale is over on May the 31st, 2020. Next up, we have the True Wireless Earbuds. If you ever wanted a pair of the wireless earbuds, they are regularly $29.99. With the promo code that you see in red, takes $15 off, which gives you a total of $16. Next up is the one roll heat iron-on heat transfer vinyl roll. It's 12 by 10 and it's for t-shirts, hats, clothing. If you're into the Cricut machine or the Silhouette machine, you are not going to find a better price. This roll is originally $77.50, and with my promo code, takes it down to $16.55. So this is actually a great item if you're tired of running to the Hobby Lobby and Michael's and buying those little one sheets of vinyl. If you're into the vinyl world, then you would understand that this is an awesome price. I'm actually ordering me some, and they do come in different colors, but once I add the link in the description box, it'll take you straight on over and you can pick your colors. You're gonna have to play with it. Make sure that you add the promo code. It should automatically do it for you, but before you check out, make sure that that promo code you see there minus is $62. Next up, I have another pair of earbuds, and they are originally $49.99. With my promo code, you get $29.99 off, which makes it a total of $21.35. I have a 2-pack dryer vent cleaner kit dryer lint brush for the vent trap cleaner. It's a long, flexible coil brush. It gets down in there and gets all that lint out, which actually prevents fires. Original price is $19.99. Promo code discount, you get $11.99 off, which makes it about $8.54. Now, this one you're going to have to act fast. It may be unavailable. It says the end date was May the 24th, so hopefully you are still able to get this deal. Next, we have a travel laptop backpack, and it is also a USB charging. It has the ports if it's a 15.6-inch laptop notebook, and it comes in gray. Original price is $35.99. With my promo, takes off $21.59. So your total would be $15.37. And keep in mind, depending on what state you're in and how much sales tax. This offer is good until May 31st, 2020. Next up, I thought this was so fabulous. It is a 3-in-1 charger for your iWatch, your iBuds, and your iPhone. The deal is good until May 27th at 11 p.m. The original price is $34.99. With my promo code, you get $17.50 off, which gives you a total of $18.67. This will be a great birthday present or a Christmas present. It does come in different colors. It's only displayed here in black. And when you hit the link, it'll take you to the Amazon page, and you'll just go in and see if it's compatible for your iPhone. So good luck in ordering that. All right, next up we have another pair of iBuds. They're Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds, sweat proof it says, built-in mic for working, traveling, and gym. They are regularly $34.99. With my Como Pro, you get $17.50 off, which gets you a total of $18.67. The deal ends May the 31st. It may end sooner, so if you would like those, hit the link and it'll take you right over. I saved the best for last. If you're into Mickey Mouse and Minnie, I thought these were so cute. They are called the Cartoon Phone Ring Stand Holder. They come in black and rose gold. It's a 360 rotation cell phone grip for the Apple iPhone X8, 7 Plus, 6, 6S, a 5, and a 5S. Also Samsung Galaxy Note, a tablet, and an iPhone. It comes in a 2-pack, originally $12.99. The promo code takes off $6.50 and makes it a total of $6.93. You get a 2-pack. The start date was May the 6th. It ends on May 31st. It may end sooner, so if you're interested in that, hit the link. It'll take you right on over. I had actually ordered these for my eye products, so once I receive these, I will do a review. So I hope that you're able to get on board and find some fabulous stuff that I have brought to you in this video. You're going to use the link to open up my Google Documents for the complete list of items that I just showed you for the week ending May 31st, 2020. Hurry before the promo codes expire. This is the link. The information will be down in my description box. It will take you over, like I said, to my Google Documents. I do have it available for my subscribers, and you'll get a complete list of what I just showed you in more detail. It does take me some time to prepare these videos to try to get these coupon deals out to you. So if you like the video, please make sure to hit the like, leave me a comment down below, and let me know if you were able to score any of these fabulous items. I would love to know if the links worked for you. This is my first promo video. I am not sponsored by Amazon. However, I am in the Amazon affiliated program. So all the information will be down at the bottom. Good luck again, and have a blessed day.